और प्राइम मिनिस्टर सेज कि हम एक दिन का जनता कर्फ्यू करेंगे। बिफोर दैट, इन द मंथ ऑफ December, the China has announced the first case of coronavirus in Wuhan. Then, month after month, situation has gone green. By the time it came March to us, we were grappled with this pandemic, so-called as a COVID-19 or Corona pandemic. Now, 6 महीना हो गए कोरोना के बीच में हमको रहते रहते। कोरोना आया, अप्रैल में पूरा लॉकडाउन था, मई में थोड़ा सा खुला। जून में 2 महीने के बाद लोगों ने महसूस किया कि जो हमारी प्रजाति है, ह्यूमन बीइंग, इसको घर में रहना बहुत मुश्किल है। और अनलॉक 1 1 जून 2020 को शुरू हुआ, फिर अनलॉक 2 हुआ, फिर अनलॉक 3 हुआ, फिर अनलॉक 5 हुआ, एंड 1 अक्टूबर से we are into the unlock 6. Every unlock there was some relaxation, some sanctions, some relaxation. In between this unlock there was a regional lockdowns, जैसे लातूर में लॉकडाउन था, जालना में लॉकडाउन था, बीड़ में लॉकडाउन था, शोलापुर में लॉकडाउन था, पुणे में लॉकडाउन था, औरंगाबाद में लॉकडाउन था, ठाणे में लॉकडाउन था, एमपी के कुछ शहरों में लॉकडाउन था, गुजरात में लॉकडाउन था। हाल ही में लेटेस्ट लॉकडाउन छत्तीसगढ़ में था, रायपुर में। नागपुर ने नया तरीका इजाद किया, संडे लॉकडाउन, कि भाई संडे को घर पे बैठिए, सिनेमा देखो, फैमिली के साथ वक्त बिताओ, कहीं बाहर मत जाओ। तो ये लॉकडाउन का सिलसिला जो है, ये बाय एंड लार्ज थम गया है। 1 अक्टूबर से ये सिलसिला थम गया है। कोरोना ने क्या किया है? कोरोना ने एक बात की है कि कोरोना ने सारे तारे जो है वो जमीन पर लाके रख दिए हैं। कोरोना हैज इक्वल्ड एवरीवन, सबको सेम कर दिया है। और ये जो अनलॉक 7 है, और 1 अक्टूबर से, और जो आने वाले 3 महीने, ये बहुत हिस्टोरिकल रहने वाले हैं सभी के लिए। आपके अगर बीच में कुछ क्वेश्चंस है तो लिख के रखिए, बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग टू इंटरैक्ट इन दिस सेशन। अगर आपको याद होगा, सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर जब हुआ था तो सारी दुनिया तहस नहस हो गई थी। यूरोप, फ्रांस, जर्मनी बम डाल के तहस नहस हो गए थे। जापान वाज डेवास्टेटेड, हिरोशिमा, नागासाकी और उसके बाद की घटनाओं से। तो इसको बोलते हैं टू मेक एवरीवन इक्वल। कोई कम इक्वल, कोई ज्यादा इक्वल, बट सारे लोग इससे ग्रसित हैं, इसीलिए इसको पैंडेमिक बोलते हैं। World economies have been troubled by this virus. There has been 10 lakh deaths across the world. इंडिया में 1 लाख डेथ हो गई है पर डे, 1000 के हिसाब से स्कोर चालू है। नॉट अ गुड थिंग, बट इन सेंचुरीज 1 या 2 ऐसी घटनाएं आती है जब पूरा दुनिया हिल जाता है। पिछले सेंचुरी में 1912 में फ्लू आया था। उसके बाद वर्ल्ड वॉर 1, वर्ल्ड वॉर 2 आया है। 20th सेंचुरी में पहली बार इतनी बड़ी घटना घटी है कि जिससे पूरा दुनिया जो है वो प्रभावित है। नाउ व्हेन वी आर इक्वल, 90% of the population or the 90% of the world feels that they have great trouble, which is true, and they succumb to it. They cry, they cribble, they complain, they go into depression, they do something, they freeze, they try to neglect, they try to deny, but reality is reality. और उसमें से 95, 100 में से 95 जो ऐसे बच जाते हैं, और 5% जो होते हैं, जो मैंने बार बार कहा है पीछे भी, ये 5% बहुत पावरफुल, बहुत रेजिलिएंट लोग होते हैं, कंपनीज होती है, देश होते हैं। उदाहरण के तौर पर मैं अगर आपको बोलूं कि वर्ल्ड वॉर 2 के बाद में जर्मनी आज देखिए आप कहां पर है, जापान आप देखिए, यूरोप आप देखिए पूरा संभल गया है। तो दोज पीपल, दोज फ्यू हैंडफुल ऑफ कंट्रीज who have make their choice that we will not allow this catastrophe to tumble us, but we will come back with very powerfully because everyone is at the level now. और ये 4-5 कंट्रीज ने जो वहां से दौड़ लगाई, चाइना देखिए जो दौड़ लगाई, तो आज ये वर्ल्ड की टॉप 4 या टॉप 5 इकोनॉमीज है। हमने 2011 में कंपनी शुरू की, we never had the opportunity to have equal. आज बहुत लोग मुझे बताते हैं, ठाकुर बताता है 50% मार्केट डाउन है, 30% डाउन है, 20% डाउन है। सही बात है, झूठ नहीं बोल रहा है वो। मनोज रानडे बताता है ये प्रॉब्लम है, वो प्रॉब्लम है, सही बात है, झूठ नहीं बोल रहा है वो। बट ये प्रॉब्लम खाली प्रेशिया के लिए नहीं है, ये प्रॉब्लम लुपिन के लिए है, सिप्ला के लिए है, यूएसवी के लिए है, ए कंपनी के लिए है, बी कंपनी के लिए है, सी कंपनी के लिए है। बट जब सबके लिए प्रॉब्लम है तो कुछ लोग जो है दे मेक देयर चॉइस, एंड दे मेक देयर चॉइस दैट आई विल नॉट सरेंडर बट आई विल फाइट। मुझे याद है, बहुत फेमस पोएम है, आप लोग कहीं पर अगर नोट कर पाए तो नोट कर लो, बाद में गूगल पे आपको सुनने को मिलेगा। There was a British Prime Minister, Churchill. He is no good for India, but he was heading the Britain that time in World War II. And his famous sentences were, we will fight on the sea, we will fight on the street, we will fight on the soil, we will fight in the sky. We shall not surrender, but we shall conquer. तो ये जो डिसाइडिंग टाइम होते हैं, ऐसे टाइम में दो चीजें मैटर करती है। एक तो मैटर करता है कि हु इज लीडिंग। तो मैं हूं, मेरे साथ अविनाश है, मेरे साथ प्रशांत है, मेरे साथ हेमराज है, मेरे साथ विनोद है, मेरे साथ सब आरबीएल है, एबीएल है, और आप सब लोग हैं। तो वन इज हु इज लीडिंग एंड व्हाट इज द माइंडसेट ऑफ द लीडर। इज इट शैल नॉट सरेंडर, फाइट एंड कॉन्कर, और वी विल डू समथिंग, ये हो रहा है, बहुत प्रॉब्लम है, ये नहीं तो और कोई। कुछ लोग हैं जिनकी जिंदगी प्रॉब्लम के बगैर चलती नहीं, और कुछ लोगों को जो है वो प्रॉब्लम ही इंस्पायर करते हैं। जितना बड़ा प्रॉब्लम उतनी ज्यादा उनकी एनर्जी होती है, जितना बड़ा प्रॉब्लम उससे ज्यादा उनका रिजॉल्व होता है कि मैं इसको कैसे दूर करूं, और उतने ही ताकत से वो लड़ते हैं। और इसीलिए जो हैंडफुल 7 हैबिट्स ऑफ हाईली इफेक्टिव पीपल में 3500 सक्सेसफुल लोगों के जो ट्रेड्स गिनाए थे स्टीवन कोवे ने, तो these are the people who have the mindset of winning at any cost, and that is possible, that's surely possible, because वो कहते हैं कि पहले आप अपने दिमाग में जीतते हो और फिर एक्चुअल ग्राउंड में जीतते हो। तो जो लोगों को इतने प्रॉब्लम ही प्रॉब्लम है, तो they are already down and out. I don't see they can win because mentally they have already lost. And this is very scary picture. I am not talking about Prussia, I am talking industry as a whole. But even in this COVID, there are companies, कल मैं एक कंपनी का डेटा देख रहा था, कंपनी का नाम है जीनियस यू, दे आर इन एडुटेक कंपनी फ्रॉम यूएस, दे आर नंबर 1 एंटरप्रेन्योर इंस्टीट्यूट। फरवरी में उनका वैल्यूएशन था $100 मिलियन, जुलाई में वैल्यूएशन हुआ $300 मिलियन, और लास्ट मंथ सितंबर में वैल्यूएशन हुआ $400 मिलियन।
सर आवाज कट के आ रहा है सर,
आवाज नहीं आ रही है?
हेलो
हेलो,
आवाज कट कट रहा है सर।
आ रही है सर, सही आवाज आ रही है।
आ रही है सही।
आ रही
नहीं
है
सर, बाकी सबको क्लियर है एकदम, शायद
Okay.
उनका नेटवर्क ही है।
Please check your connection. Yeah, please check.
Alright, sir.
Yeah, okay, right. So I'm telling there are companies who have grown as much as four times in last 6 months. Economic Times says that there are companies, the young guys who have formed, they are going 100% month on month. जब ये सब सुनता हूं तो ऐसा लगता है ये फेक रहे हैं क्या? But when we go to the root, what is the secret of those guys? The secret of those guys is that they don't see what is not in their control. They focus on what is in their control. हमारे कंट्रोल में क्या है? And that is what is the key here. तो आज का ये 7 अक्टूबर 2020 ये दिन है हमको चॉइस करने का, चूज करने का. What we want to choose? We want to choose to surrender to this situation which is prevailing, or we want to fight and we want to conquer. जब हम सब इक्वल हैं, ये कंपनी लॉन्च होने के बाद मैं समझता हूं सबसे बड़ा मौका है अगर हम अगले 3 महीने, क्योंकि जो होना है ये 3 महीने में बहुत पिकअप हो जाएगा और उसके बाद जैन फेब मार्च में उसके ऊपर हम टॉप बना पाएंगे. तो मैं जानना चाहता हूं कि पिछले 6 महीने में 1 2 3 4 5 लोग जो शेयर करना चाहते हैं, क्या अच्छा किया प्रेशर? क्योंकि मैं तो बोल सकता हूं आई नो द डेटा, आई नो द थिंग, बट क्या मेरे टीम को भी फील हो रहा है क्या कि कुछ अच्छा हुआ है? दूसरा मैं पूछना चाहता हूं क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, एंड देन वी विल ओपन इट फॉर 5-7 मिनट. यू कैन अनम्यूट एंड टॉक. Do we want to fight? We shall not surrender. We want to fight and conquer, or we want to keep crippling. So पहला क्वेश्चन ये है, और एक आदमी 2 के जवाब दे सकता है. What are the 1 2 3 good things we have done in last 6 months? Maybe in your territory, in your area, in your region. कुछ तो होगा जो हमने अच्छा किया है, अगर कुछ है तो. So I invite 3 or 4 quick responses from you.
गुड इवनिंग सर.
Yeah. Naval Kishore, I can see Naval. Yeah, Naval, बोलिए.
यस सर, गुड इवनिंग सर.
गुड इवनिंग. आप कुछ कहना चाह रहे हो नवल?
सर वो आवाज कट रहा था, वो मैं बोल रहा था आपको.
अभी आ रही है आवाज?
यस यस सर, आ रही है सर.
या मैं की अकाउंट मैनेजर एबीएल आरबीएल से सुनना चाहता हूं कि क्या 2-3 चीजें अच्छी हुई है पिछले 6 महीने में. एंड शैल वी सरेंडर और वी शैल फाइट टिल वी कॉन्कर.
सर मैं आए.
प्लीज गो अहेड.
सर इस पेंडेमिक सिचुएशन में जब मोस्ट ऑफ कंपनीज जो है सरेंडर कर चुके थे अपने आप को, जो ग्राउंड से बाहर थे सर, उस टाइम में प्रेसिया ट्राई टू वर्क सर, और हम लोगों ने अपने प्रिस्क्राइबर्स को, डॉक्टर्स को थोड़ा सपोर्ट किया सर. जो हमने कॉम्बो 2 चलाया, कॉम्बो 2 में सर उनके लिए हम, मतलब हमारे लिए तो वो हीरो थे, सभी लोगों के लिए डॉक्टर्स हीरो थे, बट उसके लिए पेशेंट्स हीरो बने सर. और हमने उनको जो सर्विस दिए सर, उससे उनका भी कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड हुआ और हमारा भी सपोर्ट बढ़ा है सर. So definitely that things is very good sir, and thanks for this sir. Thank you very much.
Devidas is at Malegaon, and from zero he has taken his sale last month to 84,000-85,000, and I'm sure he is on for the big game. Thank you Devidas for sharing. Can I have a couple of quick sharing please?
Thank you. Yes sir.
बोलो महेंद्र, बोलो.
Yes, good evening sir.
महेंद्र मानिकर. हाँ, good evening.
Yes sir, that combo 2 is really very helpful sir. Actually जेव्हा सुरू केलं ना सर, तेव्हा थोडा प्रॉब्लेमच होता, पण कॉम्बो 2 ने खूप मदत झाली आणि सेकंडरी पण बऱ्यापैकी वाढला सर माझा. तो सुरुवातीला कमी होता, जेव्हा मी जॉईन झालो तेव्हाही कमी होता, पण या महिन्यापर्यंत अगदीच 1 लाख नाही झाला, पण अप्रॉक्सिमेट माझा 1 लाखावर पोहोचला सर सेकंडरी.
Good.
खूप कमी
Mahendra
होता.
Wanikar is at Dhulia.
50,000 पासून 1 लाखापर्यंत पोहोचला सर.
Good, Mahendra. Good. Yeah.
And thank you for this support, sir.
Yes, Mahendra, many things has to come on your way, and you will see very different kind of Precious strategy, marketing, and the approach in the quarter to come. This quarter I'm talking about.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good
Good
evening.
evening, sir. Prashant is there, sir. Nasik ABL.
Prashant, please go ahead.
So in this
Mute
2-4 months, sir, we Precians are never given up, sir. जो भी hurdles थे sir सारे दूर हो गए sir, and we are open ground, sir, and I am very much confident, sir, in future, sir, Precian all Precia company will be there is a growth, sir. Definitely growth is there, sir, as a area and as a company also, sir. And sir, we will also, and about the second question, sir, we will fight, sir, and we will overcome with the situations, and we will definitely win, sir, with that situation, sir. And we will achieve our budgets at any cost, sir.
I have no doubt about it. I think you have given very formidable leadership to your team, and that's why out of 3 people who have spoken so far, all 3 are from your area, you and your team members. And we have representation for other region as well.
Hello, sir.
Sir, good evening.
Good evening, Prasanna, boli.
Yes, sir. Good evening to all. Sir, पूरा एशिया में सब अगर कोई वीकेस्ट रीजन रहेगा तो मेरा वीकेस्ट रीजन है. सबसे लोएस्ट पीसीपीएम मेरा रीजन का है. मगर ये कंडीशन में, कोरोना के कोविड कंडीशन में कंपनी ने कोई भी डिसीजन नहीं लिया, कोई भी हेडक्वार्टर और कोई भी केएम पे. यहाँ तक कि हमने उनको मोटिवेट किया है, हर एक हेडक्वार्टर को सपोर्ट किया है, और हमने उनको मोटिवेट करके अपनी बिजनेस हमें अभी गेन कर रहे हैं सर. तो ये सबसे बड़ी चीज है सर कि बाकी कंपनीज गिव अप कर रहे हैं, डिवीजन बंद कर रहे हैं, कंपनीज भी बंद हो रही है, मगर प्रेशिया में सब पॉजिटिवली हमने लिया है. आपने बहुत सपोर्ट किया है, इमरान सर ने बहुत सपोर्ट किया है, और ऑलरेडी मेरा टीम ऑलरेडी बात चल ही रहा है, मेरा टीम ऑलरेडी साथ में है, और वी विल फाइट सर, वी विल फाइट एंड कॉन्कर.
I am very glad, Prasanna, and I am witnessing that change in your region. And I think it is you who is instrumental to breathe in that confidence, to breathe in that air, to breathe in that support to your team. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, Mahir, बोलो.
Yes.
हाँ, प्रसन्न
Please
सर
go
ने
ahead.
बोला है कि हाँ, प्रसन्न सर ने बोला है कि हम वीकनेस थे, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं रहेगा सर, ये मेरी गारंटी है सर.
Chalo, Bhaginath, I wish you all the best and welcome to Precia. Today you are seeing the entire Precians here on the group. Yeah.
Sir, I want to speak something, sir.
Praveen,
Hello.
go ahead, Praveen Patel.
Sir, one thing I want to say that Precia has proved that we are in the top list, and because in this pandemic time, way that Precia can keep family, paying salary on time, doing everything like a routine from the head office. So that is the fantastic. And in April, May, you have taken care like anything. So that is the great thing. I heard many good companies are struggling to paying salaries. They are deduction, and lots of things are happening. But Precia in the top list, and कभी भी आपके दिमाग में नहीं आया सर KM लेवल पे, एरिया मैनेजर लेवल पे हमें ऐसा करना चाहिए. So that attitude is the great attitude, and we are going to win with this attitude. So that is something fantastic I have seen. Now it's our turn. When there is a problem, you have taken care for our families, for ourselves. Now it's our turn to give it back to the head office and to you, sir. So it's our promise to you, sir, that we'll work hard in the field and we'll put our best and put the Precia on the top list, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Praveen. I think those kind of the colleagues can only make me be crazy about thinking something very high order. Asha Tai has raised the hand. If she want to speak, she can unmute and speak.
सर, लॉकडाऊनच्या टाइम पिरियड मध्ये कठीण परिस्थितीमध्ये नवीन मार्ग सापडले सर, म्हणजे डॉक्टरांपर्यंत पोहोचण्यासाठी फोन कॉल झाले, त्यांचे व्हिडिओ कॉल झाले, मेसेजेस, एक वे तयार झाला सर डॉक्टरांपर्यंत पोहोचण्यासाठी.
Because we have everybody in this group.
ये तो चलो અહીં 8 વાગે લગીને નહીં પહોંચી મારે.
Okay. Asha, you want to speak? You can speak in Hindi.
No sir, thank you.
એમો આ મૂકી દીધી YouTube.
Okay, right. Thank you, Asha. Thank you. So, friends, we have seen some reactions, some responses about what good we have done. I'm sure, though other region guys and girls have not spoken, but they also have the similar sort of experiences into last 6 months. I'm very happy to tell you that our growth April and September is almost about 100%. We did 63 lakh in April. We did 1 crore and 26 lakh in September. You can clap even if you don't really. Clap. And you can pat your back also once, everyone, including Hemraj, Prashant, Avinash, Vani. There is no harm in saying that, yes, I did well. Neeraj Gupta, सब लोग अपनी अपनी थोड़ी पेट थपथपाइए और आज शाम को एक बंदे को तो बोलिए आप अपने बीवी को, गर्लफ्रेंड को, बेटे को, हस्बैंड को, वाइफ को कि अप्रैल से सितंबर का सेल हमारा दुगना था। तो इसके ऊपर I want couple of comments from the senior managers. How do they feel? Senior manager, I mean RBL and above. Maybe couple of guys who can speak. किसी का तो माइक म्यूट नहीं है, हमको उसके पूरे संभाषण सुनाई दे रहे हैं. I request to mute or I want HR to mute that person. And I want couple of responses about how do you feel. Avinash, Prashant, Hemraj, maybe Savita Kanchan.
Good evening, sir, and good evening, team.
Good evening.
As human being, everyone feel happy when he got a success. Same here, we also feel happy because the company sale is also a double, and my area sale is also I achieved my target. I'm feeling very happy and excited for this month also.
Great, great, very nice. Can I have a couple of quick responses from other leaders? How's the feeling from April to September? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Hemraj, क्या लगता है?
Definitely अच्छा लगता है because the critical situation of pandemic we survive and we are doing the good sale. Not best, but industry में जो situation है उसमें हम best कर रहे हैं. And all team including KM, ABL and HO also, they are putting their all efforts to get the things on track. So I am happy we are doubling the sale from April to September, and we will do this quarter also the best what we had discussed just 2 days before.
Great, great. Thank you, Hemraj. I think that was very Avinash, any expression of the feeling on the performance, because you have been compiling all the report and sending me the MISs. How does it feel?
Yes, sir. First thing, in this pandemic, entire team is intact, and that is most important. And because of that, we are able to achieve good sales. And I must congratulate everyone the way the situation is handled, right? Sales, collection, front. बहुत बढ़िया रहा ओवरऑल. पहला यानी ऐसा लग रहा था कि हम एक डार्क अंधेरे में जा रहे हैं कहीं तो भी, लेकिन the way you have shown the light to all of us for going ahead in spite of all the very big challenges on every front, and you have taken care of ours as well as our family. That is really a great, sir, and thanks to everyone for supporting in spite of little bit shortages and all challenges. I must say thanks to Hemraj, Prashant and all. Yes, sir. It's
Yes,
a great journey. First 6
those
months.
are very, very explicit words which describe the last 5-6 months. Prashant has shown one very rare and very important quality as a leader. In the month of September, I think with the least assistance from me as a boss, he has very maturedly, I must say that he matured as a leader. And I would like to hear a couple of things from him. How does it feel when we move from 63 lakhs to 1 crore and 26 lakh? And going forward, I'm sure if we do this third quarter well, mark my word today, this 126 lakh will be 252 lakhs in March. That is possible. I'm not looking at that. I'm looking at third quarter. Prashant, how does it feel? Last
सर
6
फीलिंग बहुत अच्छा है. दूसरा चीज ऐसा है कि first of all, I am congratulate all regional manager. All the numbers are taken by regional manager and they are achieved their number without your like involvement and without your intervention. So I congratulate my all leaders and their teams for the achieving their numbers. As a zone, we have done our number as per the plan.
Great. If more things are there, Prashant, you can always come in. I think this is open platform for everyone. Just maintain that mute, unmute kind of thing so we can maintain the order. So we've reached so far 126 kind of stuff. There are many headquarters which are still below 1.5 lakh, which is a survival productivity. That is my biggest concern. When we say that, now it is equal and we need to build from here. So sabse pehle they say that your chain is as strong as your weakest link is. And these headquarters, which are below 1.5, they are harming the organization, they are harming the prospect. But I believe all of them has a capacity to excel. So I am seeing last 2 months, Hemraj and thereafter Prashant, following it up on everyone that we must not settle anything less than 1.5. Now this less than 1.5 headquarter people must, after this program, sit down and understand how they can make secondary to the level, of course above 1.5 to the next level, wherein they can deliver 1.5 plus or whatever their numbers are. That's the one area. Now I want to ask, when we are equal, जब हम जमीन पे है, तो यहाँ से हम क्या build कर सकते हैं? अगले 3 महीने में हम क्या build कर सकते हैं? कितनी ताकत से build कर सकते हैं? And why should we do that? Before I go on, let me just have pleasure of introducing you the new face into the marketing, wherein she will focus, give the new air, new ideas, innovation, new focus to the Pride brand. Let me introduce you Josna Pradhan. She has joined us as a super consultant marketing for the core brand and shall be strengthening Vinod Mishra and the Pressure as a whole, and will really take us through. The brief about her is that she has been instrumental in putting Pressure's first presentation together. She has been with Hemraj, me, Avinash, and many others to really conceive the idea and produce this beautiful baby, or beautiful tree rather, where we all are today sitting and standing and talking about. Josna has been a powerhouse of energy. She has served in Lupin. She was with the USV, has very successful career there, and she is on her own now. And she is 200% at this point in time available to us, taking the marketing strategy to the next level. So Josna, I welcome you in this wonderful gathering, and I would appreciate if you can say some words or spare or express your emotions and your plans. So over to Josna, I will come back again.
Right. Thank you, sir. Thanks for that kind introduction of mine. And it gives me again a boost of energy from again your words, as well as seeing the entire Pressure family back together. And it has been a quite long 5 years that I was away from Pressure, but yeah, we were associated, during or even before the launch of Pressure Pharma, and to really conceive this idea about that was the era of startups. And I think we in Pressure have been able to really bring this idea into reality, and we were not just startup. And today we cannot call Pressure Pharma as a startup. Pressure Pharma, when I used to introduce myself earlier, so I used to say Pressure Pharma is a startup in early days, startup in the diabetes segment in the West Zone. Now is the time that we must be able to recognize, or we must be able to introduce ourselves that Pressure is the leading company in the West Zone with its diabetes therapy. And I think the way Pressure has performed, even during the pandemic, many people have shared their success story. It is the passion of the people more than the resources available, which I think has kept the momentum going. And I think many of you will agree that during this pandemic time, many of the companies who were in the startup mood or even local players, they might have shattered, and this is the right time probably for us to fly again high and aim for minimum productivity of, to start with, at least 2 lakh, which is with what I am seeing. So we are now have very powerful brand building which happened for the power brands, and thanks to Vinod for that, and he was quite consistent for his power brand. And now we can see that the growth, and also the brands are consistent in the market. For the pride brands, yes, of course, because we are one, and probably we focus on the things which are quite easy and which we like to. So now is the time that we balance both the portfolios and bring the pride performance also to the level wherein we survive to the larger. Friends, this COVID pandemic, as I was explaining, there has been past pandemics also. Every 100-year one pandemic happens, and it equates everything. So either it is in the form of a pandemic or maybe a war or something like that. And it has been seen that the people who are consistent, they survive and get through. So this 6 months, if we have passed on, and this is the month of transformation, then from 60 to 120, I think it's a commendable job. We have now back to the normal sales, whatever we used to do before COVID. And I think that's a great job done by the team. So, compliments to each and every one of you. And from here, it gives even me a confidence that yes, we can build the brands further, and definitely take this ahead to minimum 2 lakh each person. I'm sure each one of, there might be people I know that they are above 4 lakhs, or some are above 3 lakhs also of the productivity. But each headquarter to come up to that extent, this is the most the priority for us right now. And that's all from my side. I think sir would take it ahead.
Great. So Jyotsna, thank you for sharing that, and I'm looking forward for the very powerful strategy, very proudful strategy from you and Vinod put together to enable our resilient Prescients to really dazzle into the market. Now, Prashant Patel, आप थोड़ा इसको ये करेंगे mute. Okay, right. So I'm really looking forward for that. Now my question is that.
Yes.
My question, thank you. My question is that, why should we treat this Q3 a very different quarter? What does it mean to each of the key account manager? What does it mean to area manager or area business leader? What does it mean to be regional business leader? What is there so special in this? Why should everybody should be inspired and kicked off, or kick up rather? क्या है ऐसा थर्ड क्वार्टर में कि जिसकी वजह से हमको बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म करना चाहिए? I need a very objective kind of answers of this question. क्यों करना चाहिए थर्ड क्वार्टर बहुत अच्छा है?
Because of the company as a demand present currently is the growth.
Okay, to grow we should do it better.
Yes.
Yeah.
So definitely everyone growing on in the same platform.
But growth क्यों चाहिए? What is so compelling about it?
Depend on everything is the growth, sir. Whatever earning, incentives, when increment, all about depend on growth.
Okay, that's makes a lot of sense. Thank you, Neeraj, for sharing. Can I have some of other members to share? Maybe Manoj, Praveen Thamke. Why we are making so much of? Yeah, Manoj. Yeah, very nice. Good, good. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir. For me, these 3 months is what I am looking at. Key is basically, if you see, when I joined and today, if I have just seen through my sales, it has been seen that the diabetic products have started pick up. Earlier, it was majority of time it was only Endocal Myeloma which we were selling. So now diabetes product has definitely picked up. In few territories, it is the only product which are selling. So what I am looking for this 3 months is to establish ourselves as a diabetes company, at least for this Ahmedabad region. एटलीस्ट आज क्या होता है, लोग हमको एंडोकल माइलोनो से जानते हैं, उसको चेंज करके एंडोफॉर्मिन जिस दिन आएगा उस दिन हमारा कंपनी डेफिनेटली ग्रोथ के स्टेज में आएगा. अदरवाइज वही होगा, एंडिंग में पुशअप डंपिंग वगैरह वही चीज होता रहेगा. So this is what I am looking basically, to establish ourselves as a diabetes company in this next 3 months. So diabetic product is there, association with the doctors, particularly with this kind of brands.
Great. I think, Manoj, you have brought in the new insight. Why we should do great? Because we should be known as a diabetes company. Why we should do well? Because it will give us a stable base. Why we should do well? Because we will be. I have few of the thoughts I will share immediately after a couple of responses. But I think you made a point, and very valid point. So Shiva, Sabir, Amol, we have a galaxy of the stars who can think well and speak well. Why third quarter is so very important? Why do I say it is the opportune quarter? It's a quarter with the great opportunity.
Sir, Shara?
Yeah, please. All yours.
Sir, as per in my thoughts, sir, it's third quarter is very much important because after this pandemic of last 6 months, everyone has tired like abhi kuch nahi ho sakta, abhi kuch nahi ho sakta. And thus most of the companies are doing their shut down their divisions and all this. So everyone has thought कि अभी कुछ नहीं हो सकता, and we have we have the opportunity to show that सब कुछ हो सकता है अगर हम चाहेंगे तो. Like in my Nagpur area, sir, basically we are before this pandemic, sir, we are doing the more than 10 lakh plus secondary, but after this pandemic we are dropped down to 7 and 7.5. So now this is the time to gear up and show that we are again on जहाँ पे हमने छोड़ा था, like where we वहाँ से फिर से एक बार शुरुआत करनी है. So on that, sir, this quarter is very much important because अभी थोड़ा सा कोरोना का जो पेंडेमिक है वो थोड़ा सा डाउन इस पे आ गया, जो पीक था वो अभी नीचे आ रहा है. तो नाउ इट्स अ टाइम टू शो अवर कि हम क्या है और क्या कर सकते हैं.
Good. I think, ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you that Amol Hanwante is a #1 area manager in terms of the productivity, ECPM. Please clap for him. I think that kind of people, I debate with him a lot, but he is the one who has shown that pandemic or no pandemic, I will remain on the top. So Amol, keep it up. I appreciate it.
Thank you, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Praveen Thamke was speaking something. Praveen, would you like to say something?
Yes, sir. Yes. Actually, sir, this quarter is very important because last 2 quarters we have, in first quarter there is a growth, means pandemic has started, and my region is growing in first quarter, but in second quarter it is degrowing. But so now it's a time, अभी तो pandemic सब खत्म हो गया सर, ये सब डॉक्टर्स भी मतलब क्लिनिक में आने लगे हैं, और ऐसा कोई डॉक्टर नहीं है कि यहाँ पे अभी क्लिनिक चालू नहीं हुआ है या प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर रहे हैं. तो दिस इज अ टाइम वी हैव टू ग्रो. दिस इज अ मीन्स ये अभी एग्जैक्ट टाइम है कि जिसमें हम लोग ग्रो होना चाहिए. तो दिस इज यही क्वार्टर है जिसमें हम लोग ग्रो होना चाहिए, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज देयर. अभी जो पैंडेमिक था तभी हम लोगों ने सेल जो है अप्रैल से अभी सितंबर का सेल हमारा डबल हुआ है. तो अभी ये क्वार्टर में जो है इसमें हम लोग ने अगर जोर लगाया तो ये और डबल हो सकता है. दिस क्वार्टर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस.
Great. Thank you, Praveen. Thank you very much. Uday wanted to say something. I think he was unmuting himself. Uday, would you like to say something? Then I can move on to the next topic.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Uday.
सर ऐसा हुआ कि 2020 की जो शुरुआत हुई सर, हमारे क्वार्टर की बोलो या फिर जो ईयर की शुरुआत हुई, उसमें सबसे पहले तो कोरोना आया. उसके बाद ग्रेट पर्सनालिटीज हमारी बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री हो या इंडियन देखा जाए तो वी हैव लॉस्ट। तो सर वैसा अगर सिचुएशन देखा जाए, फार्मास्यूटिकल इंडस्ट्री का मार्केट भी डाउन हुआ है, तो एट द एंड ऑफ द स्टोरी हम ये ना बोले कि हमारा पूरा साल खराब गया। तो ये 3 महीने सर जो हमारा पूरा साल चेंज कर सकते हैं, तो वी कैन प्राउडली से कि हमारा 2020 हमने अच्छा किया करके। So because of this, we need to do best in these 3 months, sir.
Great. Uday, I think that is why they say the power of collective wisdom and the power of exponential growth. When people like Uday from Yavatmal speak like this, the voice goes all across till the Raigad, till the Gwalior, till the every point. So Uday, I really appreciate your sharing, and you said it. Why we should do 3 months extraordinary job, because it will wipe out last 6 month deficit, because it will create Pressure as a very vibrant and resilient company. And because this 3 months which give you with the phrase, जिसको जिंदगी भर आपने बच्चे के बच्चे को स्टोरी सुनाते रहेंगे कि 2020 में पैंडेमिक हुआ था, उस पैंडेमिक में हमने 120% जो नंबर तय किए थे वो हुए थे, and we were the one of the very few companies who have grown very well. तो ये स्टोरी बनाने का, स्टोरी लिखने का, इतिहास लिखने का अवसर है,
मौका है सर,
मौका है अपने पास में।
जी सर।
और इस मौके पे जो चूक जाएगा, मुझे लगता है वो चूक जाएगा, कि जो सो जाते हैं वो सो जाते हैं। History doesn't remember the defeat people who have been defeated. They remember the victor. So these are the 3 months. You all have the opportunity to be victor, to be hero, to be protagonist into your own headquarters, into your own region, into your own area, into your own zone, into your own department. If I say the HR, if I say the admin, if I say the Avinash Vani, Avinash can create the statistics and tell the world that even in the pandemic, it is my company. And I'm telling you guys, 3 months work very diligent, not only hard. Very smart, hard work is required. And one thing required, the mind of still. Every day morning, there will be 100 negative stories. You have to create one positive story, which people will look and tell. Next year, जब board meeting में बात होगी, तो बोलेंगे ये कंपनी है, इसने करके दिखाया, ये लोग हैं. I'm sure this is going to happen. Because 2011 में जब हमने प्रेशिया लॉन्च की, तो हेमराज को आज सुबह में बता रहा था, people used to talk in their boardroom, people used to talk into their sales meeting, how the endoformin is growing, how the endocare is taking shape. प्रेशिया वाले लोग आके क्या कर रहे हैं? Doctor used to call, अरे यार वो प्रेशिया वाला आता है, उसको भेजो. So this is the time to relive, to create the history. मैं आप सबको इनवाइट करता हूं इसके लिए कि once this meeting is over or now, put it into your group. Why should I perform extraordinarily well in this 3 months? Why should I? आपका why अगर सही है, तो वहां से ही solution निकलेंगे, वहीं से performance निकलेगा, वहीं से glory निकलेगी, वहीं से hero बनेंगे. Think about and write into your group. And don't be very conservative putting the messages. Because आजकल communication का क्रांति हुआ है. ट्रम्प को कोरोना होता है, आधे घंटे में इंडिया में न्यूज आता है. तो put it there. So let that why be very, very compelling. Ashish wanted to say something. Ashish, within seconds you have to say, and then we need to move on.
And I really think that, sir, you actually read my mind always. And of course, yeah, the thing is that, I wanted to tell when during this pandemic situation, wherein all my colleagues HR were quite surprised about it, that during this COVID-19 situation, we are recruiting people, wherein the other people from the company, HR people, they were laying off the people. And we were being prescient, we were actually recruiting people, and we came with 100% deployment rate in the company, which was never earlier.
Yeah,
apart from this,
that's a good job.
And apart from this, the thing is that, in fact, training and development program also we have started, and week by week we are training our people about the molecules, about the products, and also I'm quite sure about it that another 3 months our people will be actually, they have got the knowledge of the molecule, they have got the understanding of our products and all, and they will definitely show that kind of skills in the market, and they will definitely come with the flying colors.
Thank you, Ashish. Thank you. That was a good word. It also reminds me we have a very wonderful, very knowledgeable personality who has associated with Prisia during this Corona time, and I'm very proud to have him. Let me introduce once again to all of you. No need of introduction because he is teaching you the science. Dr. Chetan Gharat. Doctor is there? Doctor has joined?
Yes, yes, he's
Yes, sir, yes. My pleasure, sir. Sanjay sir, I can hear you. I was part of the meeting since the beginning. It was pleasure.
Would you like to say something, sir? You have interacted with Precia's team and, you know.
I would like to. I was waiting for my turn.
Oh, please, please. Great, great. Please go ahead.
So, see, Prescience, I've been with them for last 2 months. I've taken many sessions for them. The entire Prescia team, I know most of them by name now. We have interacted a lot. Sanjay sir has been a mentor to me, and in the pandemics, as in this unprecedented pandemic, as HR also, Ashish said that many companies laid off people. There were, no opportunities in the market. People were scared, negative stories floating around, negative market, right? But Sanjay sir, has always been positive. I think he has also got a very influential role in my life in terms of, a mentorship. I got associated Prescia 2 months back speaking to him. And then what I've realized is the entire Prescia team, even if it's a small team, I'm proud to say that it's a startup, which is a very self-aware startup. Most of the people here, they understand their responsibilities. They do multitasking. I've worked with bigger organizations, but sales guys do not do multitasking. The sales closing, primary, secondary, and then attending the session with the technology every evening for 2 hours and then participating it. I played role in motivating them, but let me appreciate them. It was 100% effort from all the guys. They wanted to learn. Also, one more thing I want to say here, that the senior leaders here, Prashant, Hemraj, Avinash sir, even Mishra ji, they also, Ashish, they also play a big role. These guys are very positive guys. And I am very, very glad and, to know the numbers. Sanjay sir said that you have achieved, you've surpassed the target, and what you achieved in April, September, it's double. The target has been doubled. Also, you're talking about the break-even 1.52 lakh. I think everything will happen because the team is very self-aware. It's very positive. I appreciate the entire team and I thank them, congratulate them. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. I think
Thank you, Dr. Sir.
I think it was wonderful to have you. My request on this program in front of everyone to you and Ashish, and even my dear friend Keshav is there. Not only teach them the science, teach them the art of selling. Create the programs for them, the selling skill, the not only surviving skill, because you need to survive से thrive. तो दिसंबर तक तो हम thrive करना चाहिए. तो वो thriving skill मैं चाहता हूँ Keshav should play a great role. Keshav generally doesn't come into this kind of meetings to speak because he believes it is my space. But this is a very unique discussion which we are having. I would appreciate if Keshav is there and say a few words. Keshav, are you there? Okay. Keshav, are you there? Okay. Ashish, you can put the message and maybe latter part you can come in.
Sure.
Okay, great. And ask Barkha also to join.
Yes, sir.
So guys, I was telling you why should we do third quarters very well, and we got our answers, and you are going to message into your WhatsApp group. 3 reasons why I should do great into the third quarter. Now let me tell you what. Why के बाद में जो most important thing है success वो है what. करना क्या है? ठीक है सर, ये करना है, वो करना है, greatly successful होना है. तो थर्ड क्वार्टर में हमको what का रीजन ये है और what का डिस्क्रिप्शन ये है कि हमको सबसे पहले तो जो 1.5 लाख के नीचे है वो 20-22 तारीख तक उसके ऊपर आ जाए. सब लोग गरीबी रेखा से ऊपर. Everyone is a strong this thing. And even if there are vacancies, there are people have some personal problems, please, regional managers, please get them above 1.5. That is point number 1. दूसरा what क्या है? दूसरा what है customer first, secondary next, and primary must. Please write down. Customer first, secondary next, and primary must. First, next, must. I will repeat. Customer first. We have to meet all our BD doctors by the RBL and above, which we have started. Prashant is in Pune. Hemraj yesterday was in Chindwara. I have made 7-8 great calls in last 2 days. So customer first. आपके जितने 40-45 कस्टमर है P25 के और अपने कॉम्बो 1 के, सबको मिलना है अच्छे से और मिलके उनसे बिजनेस लेना है. कस्टमर फर्स्ट. सेकेंडरी नेक्स्ट. मैंने देखा है हेडक्वार्टर लाइक शोलापुर, माय डियर फ्रेंड सौरभ कुलकर्णी, वो इतना एक्सपर्ट हो गया है कि उसके गले तक माल डाल दिया. ऐसा सक्सेस सस्टेनेबल परफॉर्मेंस नहीं देगा सौरभ कुलकर्णी. तो कस्टमर फर्स्ट के बाद में सेकेंडरी नेक्स्ट. सेकेंडरी पहले आनी चाहिए प्राइमरी, एंड देन प्राइमरी मस्ट. मतलब जो टारगेट लिए है उसको पार करो. छोटी सी बात बताऊंगा, अभी भी ये समय तक 31st और 3rd of October में जो सेल क्लोज हुई है, we are 20% down as far as the revenue is concerned. When we are 20% down as far as revenue is concerned, we have EBITDA positive of around 5%. मगर हेमराज और प्रशांत के साथ जो टारगेट मैंने सेट किए हैं, सबके साथ बात करके आरबीएल्स के साथ में, they are confident. बट उसके बावजूद प्रशांत के जोन का -1% का प्लान है. बट ही एश्योर्ड मी कि सर ये प्लान में हाथ नहीं लगाते हैं, काम इतना करेंगे कि 5-7% का ग्रोथ लेके आएंगे. हेमराज, देन योर अदर आरबीएल, शिवा, नीरज, प्रसन्ना, एवरीवन से कि सर डजंट लुक एट दैट, वी विल लुक एट वर्क, और वहां से हम 5-7% की ग्रोथ लाएंगे. When we create this rhythm, no one can stop us. So what is coming out of 1.5? What is customer first, secondary next, and primary must? Third, what is we need to achieve 1 lakh primary sale and secondary sale of Pride brand. Pride brand का definition है Endoformin, Tenuvia, Tenumet, Priclazide, Prebose, and Rosacea. You will get strategy within next 24 hours. Very formidable, very proudful strategy for the Pride brands. 1 लाख का लखपति आपको बनना है Pride brand में, और 1 लाख का लखपति आपको बनना है Power brand में. Power brand में क्या है? Mylono है, Endocel है, Presivit 4G है, Zgab है, Orlip है. These are the power brand, and all are powerful brand. And I'm sure Vinod will not leave any stone unturned. तो लखपति पावर, लखपति प्राइड, ये है व्हाट. और चौथा आखिरी अंतिम सत्य है, बाय द एंड ऑफ डिसम्बर वी शुड बी कंपनी बीन ग्रोन at least 5 to 10% in every headquarter, every zone, and we should have our productivity, cumulative productivity 1.5 and above. That is the minimum we can create that ramp, and then last quarter we will ramp it up. So is it clear what has to be done to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
You can mute again. There are some people like Rahul Pandya, Dinesh Karande, Bhopal team. They can even think of doing 5 lakh rupees productivity. Friends, करने वाले को कोई पैंडेमिक, कोई कोरोना नहीं है. ना करने वाले को इवन बारिश की बूंदे भी तेज बारिश लगती है. इस बार बहुत ताकत से. थैंक यू वेरी मच आकाश सोलंके फ्रॉम जलगांव. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर शेयरिंग. सो आई टोल्ड यू व्हाई, आई टोल्ड यू व्हाट. सबसे बड़ी बात जो है, एक ओलंपिक का एक पोस्टर आता था डॉक्टर के केबिन में, somebody, anybody, somewhere, anywhere. बाद में पता चला किसी ने कुछ भी नहीं किया. खाली इंस्पायर होके इमोशन, दैट एनर्जी हैज टू बी चैनलाइज्ड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दैट हु विल डू दिस? कौन? तो उसका जवाब एक ही है, हमारा हर की अकाउंट मैनेजर. आई अपील विनोद एंड जोस्ना टू क्रिएट हम में है हीरो अगेन. अगर डॉन 1, डॉन 2, डॉन 3 आ सकता है तो हम में है हीरो। हमारा हीरो आज भी वही है। जब आप पिक्चर देखते हो, पिक्चर के आखिरी में 300 लोगों का लिस्ट आता है, उसको क्रेडिट बोलते हैं। बट पिक्चर किसकी होती है? अमिताभ बच्चन की होती है, शाहरुख खान की होती है, रणवीर सिंह की होती है, रणबीर कपूर की होती है। हमारे लिए आज भी हमारा की अकाउंट मैनेजर ही हीरो है। हम सब लोग उसके सपोर्ट में हैं। डायरेक्टर, प्रोड्यूसर, सिनेमाटोग्राफर, डांस डायरेक्टर, कैमरामैन, एवरीवन।
हमारे लिए फ्रंट लाइन वॉरियर तो वही है सर।
सही बोला विनोद भाई, फ्रंट लाइन वॉरियर वही है। एंड आई थिंक जिस कंपनी ने ये समझा है और जिन लोगों ने इसको मन पे लिया है, मैं आपको बोलूंगा ये आंधी जैसे सब प्रॉब्लम उड़ जाएंगे।
यस सर।
एंड जॉब ऑफ एवरी लीडर साबिर इज टू मेक अवर एवरी टीम मेंबर हीरो। उसके घर में जो है ना, एक बार ठाकुर ने मुझे कहा था 2 महीने पहले कि बीवी आजकल पूछती है आपके आंखों में इतनी चमक कैसे। तो ठाकुर ने उसको बोला, भाई काम कर रहे, बहुत दिनों बाद इतना मजा आ रहा है, इंसेंटिव कमा रहे हैं। ये बात अलग है। दूसरे महीने में ठाकुर साहब को गब्बर ने डरा दिया। बट मैं चाहूंगा कि ये चमक जो है, ये आपका हीरोइज्म जो है, आपके आसपास के लोग महसूस करें। तो ज्योत्सना, विनोद, प्लीज वर्क ऑन दिस। हु जो है, हु कौन करेगा ये जो ग्रोथ है, ये जो हिस्ट्री कौन लिखेगा? तो ये हमारे की अकाउंट मैनेजर है और उसके पीछे सारी एबल टीम है। लीडरशिप एट एवरी लेवल। देयर आर हीरोज एंड देयर आर सुपर हीरोज। अभी मैंने सिंपल डेफिनेशन बनाया है। हीरो कौन है? जिसका या तो ग्रोथ है, जिसका पीसीपीएम 1.5 के ऊपर है। आज उसका ग्रोथ नहीं भी है तो वो हीरो है, बिकॉज ही हैज कंट्रीब्यूटेड टू द रेवेन्यू ऑफ द कंपनी।
हाँ देवेश।
Then there are
Thank you, sir.
superheroes.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
क्या?
There are superheroes जिनका पीसीपीएम भी है
हाँ।
या जिनका ग्रोथ है। प्रवीण पटेल, आपका फोन इधर दिख रहा है, आप उसको म्यूट करिए प्लीज। Yeah. So there are heroes who have 1.5 productivity. There are superheroes who have productivity and growth. So think about it. So ये हु जो है वो की अकाउंट मैनेजर है। आखिरी बात होती है कि भाई 100 मीटर दौड़ना है या 1000 मीटर दौड़ना है, बट कब तक दौड़ना है? व्हेन, बाय व्हेन। तो बाय व्हेन का मतलब ये है दोस्तों, 25 दिसंबर को क्रिसमस है, 23 और 24 दिसंबर को क्लोजिंग करना है, और 23 और 24 दिसंबर तक क्वार्टर का नंबर 101%, 105% करके सेलिब्रेट द क्रिसमस। घर पे क्रिसमस ट्री लगाइए, दीप जलाइए उसके ऊपर। और अगर आपके नंबर बहुत अच्छे हुए, आस्क द राइटफुल इंसेंटिव टू योर बॉस एंड गो विद फैमिली फॉर 2-3 डेज ऑफ हॉलिडे। तो कब तक करना है? 23 और 24 दिसंबर तक ये क्वार्टर हमको पूरा निकालना है। क्लियर है सबको? राइट। और आखिरी सवाल, करना कैसे है? क्यों करना है ये मालूम है, क्या करना है ये मालूम है, किसको करना है ये मालूम है, कब करना है ये मालूम है, मगर करना कैसा है, इसके ज्ञानी आप सब लोग हो। और उस ज्ञान को एक दिशा देने के लिए, एक प्लान बनाने के लिए, एक सपोर्ट देने के लिए ज्योत्सना एंड विनोद मिश्रा, क्योंकि देयर आर सेल्स स्ट्रेटजीज एंड देयर आर मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजीज। ये सारी चीजें जो है, इनको हमको कैसा करेंगे? तो आई वांट विनोद एंड ज्योत्सना टू टेक ओवर फॉर नेक्स्ट 5 मिनट एंड टेल पीपल जो उनको करना है वो कैसा करेंगे। आउटलाइन, आप डिटेलिंग उनको कल दे दो, आज शाम को दे दो, कल सुबह दे दो, बट आई वांट विनोद एंड ज्योत्सना टू टेक ओवर एंड टेल देम हाउ। क्योंकि क्यों करना है ये मालूम है, क्या करना है ये मालूम है, किसने करना है ये मालूम है, कब तक करना है ये मालूम है, कैसे करना है। एंड आई वांट हेमराज एंड प्रशांत आल्सो टू कंट्रीब्यूट। So over to Vinod, Josna, Hemraj and Prashant. And we are discussing only how part of it.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you for setting the really a great platform for the Q3. So with the strengthening of the, incoming of the as a marketing support, I also welcome Josna Pradhan also to this Pressure group, and we welcome you. And together, definitely, we will have a very, very process-oriented and brand-oriented work, so that we can build our brand also in the coming days. So I have just made two slides that is the give the outline that how we are going to add with the Q3. So let me just share that one. Friends, is it visible to everybody?
Not yet. It will start.
Yes, visible.
Now it's visible.
So with the starting, and as we are just almost we are coming to the end of our presentation. So all this answers of this why, what, who, and by when, that is already given. So I'm not taking much time. I will come to how we are going ahead with this. So coming to our brand portfolio, there are the three portfolio which we are looking at. So we have a Pride brand that is already told you by sir also that Endoforming, Tenobia, Priclazide, Rosacea, and Prebose will become the Pride brands, where we are looking for the 1 lakh PCPM of all these brands. Then we have the set of brands which is fall in the category of power brands: Mylodov, Endocal, Olive, Endocal Max, Precivit, Gigab, Optifiber, and Pantoja. Then we have the third, that is the Equla brand, that we are also taking care of the Equla brand with the 50,000 PCPM for this quarter. So how we are going ahead with this? So with the 10 years in the Pressure, we are entering into the 10th year of our Pressure promotion. So there are the Pride brands, and there are the 4 broad strategy. I request Joseph Adam to please highlight all these 4 broad category, and then in details we will give them all the details one by one. So Josna madam, can you just?
Yeah. So can you all hear me, please? Can we hear?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. We can hear
So,
you.
so friends, while I was thinking back days when I started my journey with Pressure, and again it happened that I'm here joining you back in my new role. First thing that came to my mind is the sustenance of Pressure for last 10 years in the market. As I first shared that it's no longer a startup now. As sir was mentioning that the people who survive, who are breaking 1.5 lakh PCPM even without growth, are heroes right now. And Pressure Pharma definitely, by surviving for 10 years, providing employment to people, and also sustaining in this unlikely kind of a pandemic, has successfully completed 10 years. So as a theme for this quarter, we will take ahead that 10th year of Pressure we are going to celebrate, and we are going to create a corporate image of Pressure Pharma among all our doctors who have supported us to get through this particular numbers, or they have been supporting us. So we will involve doctors also. We will explain that how we are going to do and create a hype in your tomorrow's presentation. Then there are 4 main activities which are planned for Pride brands, to make it very simple. So there are certain things which are happening in clinic which our rep has to do. How we are going to do the cards, a very simple kind of an input with just a placard or kind of a thing. WhatsApp inputs will be there with a touch of science as well as creativity. Then Pressure Care program, wherein there will be a support for the chronic therapy and the Pride brands. So there will be a direct involvement with the doctors to support them, those who are actually taking rosuvastatin or maybe endoformin or metformin, because most of the doctors are also under stress, and our doctor group particularly, by the time they become specialist or MD or so, they are already crossing their age of say 45 or so by the time they start a good practice, and these are our prospects. So these kind of doctors might need some therapy, for them, or maybe their dear and near ones. So there we can have a support. PI was the initiative which was launched 10 years ago, which is called as the Pressure India Academic Initiative. This is to support the doctors who are associated with us, because all the international conferences, as you all know, that international conferences also, Pressure has been supporting to the doctors in the knowledge and disseminate it further. So here also we will provide a platform for the doctors by conducting roundtable meetings for them, and really correlating the COVID scenario to how the chronic therapy like diabetes or statin therapies. Pressure patient program, with the help of using the social media platform and connecting the doctors to their patients, and in a way giving these doctors a kind of a popularity or a publicity using the social media handle of Pressure Pharma, and also by it will be a mutual benefit for the doctor. The doctor gets a recognition, and at the same time we will engage the doctor through this method. Friends, you've been engaging the doctors, I'm sure, with the Pressure consultancy agreements and everything till now, especially the managers and RPMs and sales managers in your attention. So from here, what we will amalgamate our science, our activities to the engagements, so that whatever engagement we are doing, whatever reimbursements that we are doing, will link some or the other activity, which will help for the mental engagement, and we will remember our brand for a longer time, and we will have a definite kind of demand from them, like 20 new patients or 10 new patients or that sort of. So this has been done in detail. So tomorrow we will take it up for the strategy. We will explain you that. Over to Vinod.
Thank you, Jyotsna. So thank you for giving us the broad guideline for the Pride brands we met. Team, as coming to the power brands, as many of you have already given your feedback on the At Your Service, which we did last quarter, which was a really successful, because it was targeted and it was tailor-made program which was there for the doctors, and all inclusive we have 1250 doctors in At Your Service campaign. So combo 2 At Your Service, we reached to 1250 doctors last quarter. Above that, so that is going to give a mileage for this quarter. And in addition to that, we are also creating a brand wise doctors portfolio, like Power of with the help of, if somebody is, can you just mute, because much sound is coming. Yeah, friends, along with this 1250 doctors, we are also going to give you the brand wise activity which will strengthen the power brands. So we are going to create a 15 doctors pool for the power brand, which comprise of the Myelonerve, Endocal and Pacific as a three brands, power of 3, which gives the provide the protection to patient. Then we are having the exclusive campaign for the Pantoja, because earlier we used to do it with the through retailers. Now we want to create the doctors so that we can have the sustainable business for the Pantoja brand also. And Pantoja is such brand which can be written by anybody, whether the GP, physician, endo, everybody writes Pantoprazole and their combination. Then the fourth program which we have, which also going with the Pride brands, that is Pressure Care program, where it's a tailor-made or personalized sample campaign for the doctors and their family for the chronic brands. So if they come, the request is comes, we will provide the sample also. And last but not least, there is a Olive 60 and 120 Saath Saath. Saath Saath is that Pressure is now the 10 years in the promotion. And we have a very good equity with the endocrinologist. Pressure endo के साथ ही जेल होके साथ साथ चला है. That's why our if you see, we have the endoforming, we have the endocal, that's also go along with the endocrinologist. So we will create something around with the endocrinologist, which we will discuss and we will roll out, and we drive this Olive through this endocrinology platform. Then we have the next set of the Equla brands, where the 3 brands is there and 3 different strategy also there to support that. Benefit with Benipack, Equisolid, doctors enrollment and example also to create the minimum productivity of 5 pen at each and every quarters. Friends, ये रहा एक्टिविटी. इसको हम कैटेगरी ब्रांड को मैंने कैटेगराइज किया है 3 में, जैसे कि प्राइड ब्रांड, पावर ब्रांड एंड एक्यूला ब्रांड. उसी तरह स्ट्रेटेजी को कैसे हमने डिवाइड किया है. द स्ट्रेटेजी डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 पार्ट. One is for combo 1. Combo 1 which support the pride brands. Combo 1 में हमारे पास more than 1000 doctor is there in the engagement program, which is roughly coming to the 11 doctors per headquarter or per camp. जहां से हमको कुछ ज्यादा नहीं, we need to re-engage, we have to take them through, and these are the most important customer for us. जहां से हमको minimum productivity एक 15,000 का लाना है, which will give the 1.5 lakh visibility at each and every headquarters. So this is a pride brand which gives the 1.5 lakh per headquarters. Then comes the power brand. Power brand के combo में अगर आप देखो 25 हमारा at our service के डॉक्टर है. Then we have a 15 doctors for the power brands. Then we have the 5 doctors for Pantoja. All put together, there are 40 doctors pool is there in the combo 2. And from there, we ask an average of 5,000 business, which gives the visibility of the 2 lakhs. So combo 2 will drive the power brands. Combo 1 will drive the pride brands. And there is a strategy for under combo 3, which we know that it's a Koi Equla brand strategy, which is driving our PCPM and which will again drive our further in quarter 3, the PCPM of 50,000 rupees at each and every headquarter. So we have a 3 strategy, combo 1, combo 2 and combo 3. We have the 3 different set of brand category, pride, power and Equla. I think we are not confusing. We are very clear with our objective. So brand portfolio as well as the strategy portfolio, both is a very आपको separate करके अच्छी तरह से आपको दिया गया है. So this is how we are going ahead with the quarter 3. In details, we will discuss, we will share the strategy with you. So with this, I over to sir.
Thank you very much.
combo to फिर से carry forward हो रहा है क्या?
No.
Yeah, Ganesh. Everybody.
Combo 2
हाँ
at
सर,
your service
combo
carry forward नहीं हो रहा है. My dear friend, combo के अंडर में at your service जो हमने किया था, वो हम कैरी फॉरवर्ड नहीं कर रहे हैं. उससे हमको ROI लेना है, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी मोर देन 50% डॉक्टर हमने लास्ट मंथ ही एंगेज किए हुए हैं.
Right.
बराबर.
So I think, thank you, it was wonderful. I would like, how is very important part. I want to know from Prashant, how Prashant would make it happen as a field strategy, execution, and how can he see things unfolding into his zone. Prashant?
हाँ सर, ये ऑलरेडी हम लोग लास्ट 3 महीने से कर रहे हैं. combo 1 को लास्ट 6 महीने से कर रहे हैं. combo 1, combo 2 और combo 3 स्ट्रेटजी कर ही रहे हैं. इसको अभी अच्छे से मेरे को लगता है कि अच्छा प्लान आउट किया है, ब्रांड वाइज डिवाइड किया है, तो इसको एग्जीक्यूट अच्छे से कर सकते हैं. और combo 2 ऑलरेडी हमारा 50%, जैसे विनोद ने बोला है कि ऑलमोस्ट लास्ट मंथ में ज्यादा एंगेजमेंट हुआ है. वो करना चाहिए. मुझे लगता है कि जहाँ पे 25 डॉक्टर नहीं हुआ है वहाँ अपने को रीओपन करना चाहिए, क्योंकि हम लोग 25 डॉक्टर्स काउंट कर रहे हैं.
Okay. Great. I got your point, Prashant, and I think you can put up the proposal. We can open it for 2 days, and if somebody can clear it in 2 days, the remaining doctors, whatever number, I think you can do it for your zone. I don't know about Hemraj. So Hemraj, how are you going to answer to your team? They know what has to be done. They are inspired why it has to be done. How it has to be done? Can you add something on how? Because I said 4 people: Josna,
yes,
Vinod, Prashant, and Hemraj.
Yes, sir. How part means definitely combo 2 जो हमने किया है, that definitely has helped to our team very well, and our team also appreciated that campaign. Now this combo 1, if we work on combo 1 and now everything is unlocked in the working area, wherever we have seen the doctors are meeting quite regularly. They don't have any hesitation to meet pharma now, what we have seen. So if we meet these 4 doctors or combo one, we engage at least 10 to 12 doctors in each headquarter, and we insist these doctors to get the prescription for our core brand like Pride brand, diabetes portfolio. Definitely we will get through the our all these things जो हमने सेट किया है, और जो स्ट्रेटेजी विनोद और जोशना ने डिजाइन की है, जो सेग्रीगेशन किया है ब्रांड वाइज, आई थिंक दैट वुड आल्सो हेल्प टू कंसंट्रेट इन ईच हेडक्वार्टर टू गेट द डिजायर रिजल्ट. मुझे लगता है कि सर कॉम्बो 1 पे हम अभी पुश करेंगे. जो हमारे पास एक अभी तक एक लॉकिंग था कि डॉक्टर्स मिल नहीं रहे, कॉम्बो 1 के डॉक्टर्स हमारे लिए रीच आउट हमारे रीच से थोड़ा बाहर है. आई थिंक अभी जो सिचुएशन है उसमें हम उनके पास जाके उनको एंगेज करके वी विल कंसंट्रेट ऑन दिस डॉक्टर, एंड डेफिनेटली जो हमारे डिजायर रिजल्ट हमको डॉक्टर से चाहिए वो हम इंश्योर कर सकते हैं.
Okay, great, Imraj. Now, what has happened when I was saying, now we are almost done with our homework about these 4-5 things. I must introduce you one of the new entry into the Prussia, and the name is Barkha Singh Thakur. Barkha has come as an executive assistant. She has been with the high-profile jobs earlier. She was with Kingfisher Airways, with Jet Airways, with International Crew. She has got the many awards and accolades in terms of her communication skills. Barkha has been instrumental in last 5, 6, 7 days now as she joined very relentlessly to reach out to 1,000 doctors. And that is a task which we have cut out for her. She would be reporting to me. Barkha, are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm there.
Yes, this is the entire Prussia now.
Yes,
Almost
sir.
124 people. And you must have seen so far, heard about very eloquent kind of communication and conversations from people.
Yes, sir.
How's your experience and what are you looking forward for?
First of all, sir, thank you so much for introducing me this well. And I'm very happy to be a part of this such a nice company. And I'm part of this the meeting from the beginning. And what I'm been hearing is a lot of positive things, and it makes me very positive and very enthusiastic to work towards my goal. And I know the task that has been assigned to me is not impossible, but yes, I have to work very hard towards it. And I can only do this once I have a complete support of the all the Prussians. I would like to thank everybody who has till today helped me out, especially Sanjay sir, of course, and also Vani sir has been very polite and kind, and all the RBLs that I've been speaking to have been entertaining my calls and knowing that I am a completely new person, and being treating very patiently. I promise you all that I am learning and I am a quick learner, and I look forward to be a part of this team who's growing. And I want to be part when sir said that you should have a story to tell. I want to be one of those persons who will have a story to tell, that I was a part when, it is already a grown company, but it has reached where, and I was there that time.
Great, Barkha. I think that was very, very expressive of you, and looking forward for your connection with every Prussian all across the company.
Yes, sir.
I'm sure they would not hesitate to call you, seek support from you, particularly all RBLs sales set, and with this we have strengthened. So you might be seeing Dr. Garat, you might be seeing, the Josna coming in, you might be seeing the Barkha coming in. As HR was saying, we are getting stronger and stronger. With all this force and the heroes on the ground, I'm sure we are going to hit the jackpot and close 23, 24th of December or so on the what we decided to do. And that is going to create a history. So start counting from now till October, November, and December. We will not take a longer shot now. We will just take one quarter at a time, 1 month at a time, 1 week at a time, 1 day at a time, and inch करके हम आगे जाएंगे. And I'm sure हम झंडा लहराएंगे 25 मार्च को, 25 दिसंबर को, that हमने ये किया है करके. वो शेर मुझे याद आ रहा है जो हमने कंपनी शुरू की थी तब कहा था कि कौन कहता है आसमां में छेद नहीं होता यारो, कौन कहता है आसमां में छेद नहीं होता यारो, एक पत्थर तो तबीयत से उछाल के देखो. आई एम श्योर यू ऑल आर कैपेबल. डोंट कंडीशन योर माइंड टू लूज, कंडीशन योर माइंड टू विन एंड कॉन्कर. आई हैव माय फ्रेंड who has been through this journey of tough time before, peaks and troughs, Mr. Keshav Goswami. I request him to say a few words because entire company today is listening to this Zoom meeting and everyone who is speaking. And this is the team which is going to create a history in pharma industry. I'm sure you all are with me. Keshav, over to you.
So Sanjay, first of all, my apologies. I was not, when you called out on me, I was not able to unmute myself at that point in time.
No issue.
So there are two things that you said or you called upon on me. One was on training. So that is something which I shall ensure that will continue. So we will continue to invest in the development of each and every person. The second part is about today's meeting and the time to rise. I have got only one thing to say कि कोरोना ने सबको एक समान जगह पे लाके रख दिया है, जैसे आपके संजय सर ने बोला है. अभी सब लोग बैठे हुए हैं. यहाँ से कुछ लोग उठेंगे, ऊपर जाएंगे, कुछ लोग बैठे रहेंगे और शायद वहीं दम तोड़ देंगे, कुछ लोग उठेंगे, ऊपर जाएंगे और उड़ेंगे भी. अभी ये आप पे डिपेंडेंट है कि आपको उसमें कौन सा बनना है. जिंदगी ने पेंडेमिक तो दिया, मगर जिंदगी ने पेंडेमिक के बाद ये अपॉर्चुनिटी भी दिया है. आप चाहे कंपनी के लिए कुछ करो ना करो, ये समय है अपने बारे में सोचो और बोलो कि मैं अभी नहीं किया तो कभी करूँ, क्योंकि अभी नहीं किया तो जिंदगी में शायद ऐसे मौके और बार बार नहीं आने वाले. थैंक यू.
Thank you, Keshav. That was very crisp, brief, but very, very inspirational word from you. Thank you very much. I think we are coming to close of this very, very important meeting. We have another 7-8 minutes now before we close. I invite the leaders, area business leaders, key account managers to speak in another 3 to 4 minutes, because this meeting is being recorded and this will go onto our website also. If you have seen the new website, as a monthly satsang जिसको केशव बोलता है, या monthly connect जिसको मैं बोलता हूँ. So if anyone who feels that कि मेरा नंबर नहीं आया, मेरा नंबर कब आएगा, क्या अपना नंबर आएगा, अपना टाइम आएगा. तो अगर किसी ने बात नहीं की है और करनी है, even there are, I have seen some new faces. I welcome all of them to Prashia. I want them to express themselves, and you can unmute and speak. So another 3.5 minutes there, and then we have to close the meeting. Yes, Shakur.
सर रायपुर में रीता ठाकुर ने ज्वाइन किया है, तो मैं चाहता हूं कि कुछ बोले करके. बोलिए मैडम.
क्या हुआ?
Rita Thakur from Raipur. Rita joined Raipur.
Okay. Rita has joined. Is she there in the meeting?
Yes, she is here.
Rita ji, can you speak? Hello? No, I think you need to unmute.
Hello?
Yeah, she is unmuted.
Yeah, Rita.
Unmute.
Hello, good evening, sir. Good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
सर मैंने सुनी सारी मीटिंग्स एंड ऑल, इट्स वेरी वेरी इंस्पिरेशन पीस थी। एंड कल मेरा पहला दिन है, लेट्स थिंक इट हम कितना अच्छा कर सकते हैं। एंड मैं मोस्ट प्रोबेबली कोशिश करूंगी कि जितना मेरे अंदर पोटेंशियल है मैं इसमें डाल सकूं, और टू बी वेरी एंथुसियास्टिक एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ अप्रिशिया। एंड लेट्स होप फॉर द बेस्ट। आप लोगों की ब्लेसिंग के साथ मैं भी काफी कुछ सीख पाऊंगी।
ग्रेट, थैंक यू वेरी मच रीटा। आपको एक और बात ध्यान रखनी चाहिए, आपके पास शोले का ठाकुर है।
Yes, sir.
करता है।
That's true enough, sir.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah,
great.
sir.
Yeah. I haven't seen Shiva there, you know. Okay. Right. Anyone who wants to... Yeah. Anyone who want to speak? Okay.
Yes, sir. I speak.
Yeah, Raju, बोलिए।
Very good evening, sir.
हाँ, गुड इवनिंग राजू।
सर पहले तो मैं आपको थैंक यू बोलना चाहूंगा सर, जो मैंने 4 महीने में प्रेसिया में आके सीखा सर। मेरे 3.5 से 4 साल के करियर में मैं कहीं भी नहीं सीख पाया सर। एंड सर एक जो आपकी स्माइल और आपकी लैंग्वेज एंड सर जो टॉकिंग सेंस है वो मेरे को बहुत बेस्ट लगा सर। मतलब उससे एक एनर्जी आती है सर बॉडी के अंदर। और बाकी से मैं प्रेसिया में अच्छे से अच्छा करना चाहता हूँ सर, वो कर रहा हूँ सर। मैं अभी लास्ट मंथ की जो मेरी सेकेंडरी आई थी सर, वो भी हमने काफी अच्छी कर दी है सर। 2 लाख थी तो अभी इस मंथ हमने 3 लाख पे पहुंचा दिया। एंड सर कुछ डॉक्टरों से भी डिस्कस हुआ है सर बेटर देन, उनने भी काफी अच्छा सपोर्ट किया है। कुछ नए डॉक्टर भी इंक्लूड हुए हैं सर, जैसे मेरे देवास में भी हुए हैं सर, उज्जैन में भी हुए हैं, इंदौर में भी हुए हैं सर। बाकी सर हम पूरी टीम मिलके एकजुट होके बहुत अच्छे से मेहनत कर रहे हैं और अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं सर। थैंक यू सर, आपका सपोर्ट भी मुझे बहुत अच्छा मिला है।
राजू बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करते हुए। मेरा नाम राजू, घराना नाम, बहती है गंगा जहाँ मेरा घाम। आपके पास जो है नीरज भाई है, गुप्ता जी। मैं उसको आज सुबह ही बता रहा था कि गुप्ता ऐसा एक नाम है जिसने इस देश पे 300 साल पे गुप्ता का राज, तो अभी कम से कम एमपी को उस लेवल पे पहुंचा दे इंदौर के बाद। So I really wish you all the best and thank you for sharing. I think this was very inspiring.
Thank you sir, and sir my team is very best sir.
Yes, I understand that. अमीन मुझे दिखाई नहीं दिया खाली, शायद वो मिस्टर इंडिया बना हुआ है। Great.
नहीं सर हैं वो सर।
Yeah.
मैं यही हूँ सर।
Yeah, Josna, you want to say something?
Hello sir.
Good evening. Good evening. नीलेश बोलिए।
सर नासिक में आज ही ज्वाइन किया सर मैंने कंपनी। सर फर्स्ट डे मेरे को कंपनी का स्ट्रेटेजी देख के एकदम अच्छा लगा सर। एकदम कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया मेरे को कि वो एक अच्छी कंपनी है। एकदम एनर्जी भी आ गई सर कंपनी की। फर्स्ट स्ट्रेटेजी देख के, फर्स्ट मीटिंग अटेंड करके सर।
कौन सा
श्योरिटी तो
आपने?
नासिक हेडक्वार्टर सर, नासिक हेडक्वार्टर।
अच्छा, नासिक में ज्वाइन किया। आपको बता दूं, यू हैव वन ऑफ द बेस्ट एरिया मैनेजर इन द कंपनी।
यस सर।
और हम कल सुबह मिल रहे हैं। Tomorrow morning I am there for field work at Nasik.
Yes sir.
तो अच्छा से कुछ खिलाना नासिक का चीज।
Yes sir, sure sir. Yes sir.
All the best and welcome to Prussia.
Yes sir, thank you sir.
We have another 1 minute.
Good evening sir.
Good evening. बोलिए।
Yes, this is Vinayak Bhagwat sir, joined as a ABL Kolhapur headquarters sir.
Vinayak Bhagwat, the handsome
Yes
man.
sir.
Yes, Vinayak, बोलिए।
Yes. Yeah, I have joined 1st of October sir, in this month sir. Previously I have worked in a Cadila Pharmaceuticals sir, more than 10 years. After that I have joined United Biotech.
Yes, Vinayak, बोलो।
Hello.
Yeah, Vinayak, you are audible. Please go ahead.
Yeah. After that, I have joined sir United Biotech as a AVM since 2.5 years, sir. And this 1st of October, I have joined this Presia Pharma, sir, such a wonderful organization. I am very happy for appoint me in your organization, sir. So I will prove that my skill and knowledge to contribute our company growth. And sure, I will ensure henceforth the target achievement and all supports from my side, sir.
Right. Vinayak,
Yes,
very happy to get you at Kolhapur. I think we need someone like you there. Think of creating the history at Paschim Maharashtra.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
History. So we
Sure,
are
sir, I
closing
will.
the meeting. I request all senior managers to wish our heroes all the best for the quarter, because only one of this kind of meeting we have every month. So very one line or two line to start from the all RBLs, please. I want everyone to wish the team members, our heroes. RBLs one by one before we close. Yes, Neeraj.
Good morning, sir.
Yes.
Good morning, all my team members, all my hero. I heartily congratulate my Bhopal team and Jabalpur and all the best for next 3 months. The crucial for us, but definitely we will win and we will do, sir.
Great, Neeraj. I also wish you and your MP team all the best for the creating historical performance. Thank you. Shiva, can you just wish the team before we close the meeting?
Sir, good evening and good evening the whole team.
Yeah.
And I really very happening month, and we are going to prove that this month will be a happening month for us. And I'm sure this month is going to really change the things for us. I'm very confident of this, the way things have moved out. As you have said, last 6 months we have doubled our sales, and this month definitely we are going to go ahead. So I wish everyone all the best and to come to this month.
Right, Shiva. I think thank you very much for your words, and I think everybody will take it into the right spirit, and it means a lot to me, and I'm sure all of the team members.
Right.
Next RBL, please.
Sir, good evening, team. This quarter and this quarter is a quarter of performance, and this starting from this month, we are going to achieve our target, and all the best for this.
Thank you very much, Praveen. Can Savita come in quickly and wish everyone all the best? I think she was the RBL last month first to complete her number and create the ripples, and she promised this month also she will be the first. Savita Kanchan, can you wish everyone all the best?
Yes, sir. Thanks so much for your support in terms of the strategy, and all the best to all Prescians for the Q3 performance. Now it's our time to grow and give return back to the company. And the two things are there in a life. One is a controllable thing and one is uncontrollable thing. Rather than focusing on uncontrollable, focus on controllable thing and rock. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I think that is wonderful of you. Can we have Shailesh? I couldn't see him.
Good evening, team.
Yeah, Shailesh.
My team is one of the best teams, sir. I'm confident. Last month we're back on track. Definitely we will do much better than last month, sir. Congratulations, team. Definitely we will do better than last month.
ये जो दीवार मूवी था उसमें वो डायलॉग है, मेरे पास माँ है वाला। शैलेश के पास जो है वो प्रशांत कुलकर्णी है।
Yes.
तो शैलेश माँ का लाज रखना।
Yes, sure.
Do very well. Do very well. Do very well. Yes, can I have Prasanna one last time to wish everyone all the best before we
Good evening, and best of luck to all Fresian for Q3, and we will do, sir.
Right. Who is missing amongst RBL? Yeah, everyone has done. I want both the sales side also to wish quickly the team member. I think they are really look up to you. They are your team rather than my team. Though we are the one team, you are the flag bearers. Hemraj and Prashant.
सर मैं रह गया, बोलना चाहता हूँ अपनी टीम में।
हाँ पटेल बोलिए ना, बोलिए।
पटेल साहब।
Sir, it's very nice to see Madam back to Prescia, and all the best to my team. This quarter, my team is going to rock. I have one of the best team, and most importantly, I have a complete team, sir. So I am going to rock in this month. So in this quarter, thank you very much, sir.
Great. Manoj, I would also request you to please come in and wish everyone, I think your team and all India team.
Yeah, sir. Very good evening.
Yeah.
Sir, I would like to wish particularly my entire team as well as the All India team the very best for this Q3 performance. And I am sure the kind of things which you have said today and the kind of actions which we are doing in these 3 months, definitely we are going to rock in these 3 months. I am having 100% trust on the same.
Thank you very much, Manoj. I think your rock solid approach will really make it happen. And Gujarat, I have the great expectation because both of you have the great capacity, you and Praveen Patel.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
गुजरात में अभी वाइब्रेंट गुजरात होना चाहिए.
हाँ, गुजरात में अभी क्रांति
Okay, done, sir. हाँ, sir.
या विपुल भी बोल रहा है डन सर.
हाँ सर
अभी
होगा.
बेड पे सो के अपना मोहित भी बोल रहा है कि अपना हर मैच में ऐसा डोज हो जाए. मोहित भाई, गुड मॉर्निंग.
ना सर, होगा सर, होगा, कंफर्म होगा सर.
Yeah,
no doubt, sir.
Great. Looking forward. Prashant Hemraj, I think we are about to close the meeting. I would request you to close the meeting with your wishes. And I want finally Avinash, Vinod, and Josna, and then we close.
Yeah, all the best, all the patience for the Q3, and definitely with these strategies, everyone will be performer for Q3 with the growth. All the best.
Thank you, Prashant. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Wish all of them.
Right. Sir, I wish you all the best to each and every patience. When we started April, तब pandemic आने की वजह से हमारा गाड़ी बहुत slow speed से चल रहा था. So we have changed first gear, second gear, third gear. I think we are at the 5th gear. So we will rock the market and we will ensure the desired growth which we have planned this month only. So I wish you all the best. We will do much better than what we have done the last month.
Thank you very much, Hemraj. I think you are thriving consistently, you and Prashant. Josna, Vinod, you would like to wish team all the best. I think we are going to meet for strategy in different teams now.
Yeah. So after I think my interaction started with Sanjay sir in my second inning in a new role. Today is the day where I got motivated with 2 things. First is the September performance, and sir was literally busy. I'm trying to talk to him, and he's saying that we are trying to make our numbers. And when I saw the numbers and the performance today, I mean that's phenomenal. So like we are back. So we are back to the normal, and like this is the time that we have recovered our sales. So this is something which is really commendable and great job done by all of you. And जैसे सर ने starting में बोला था अपने talked about really all deserve pat on a back. Second thing, of course, as Keshav used to say that there is a monthly satsang. So I never knew, it is so inspiring. So it went on for last 1 hour. And I really felt as if, last पिछले 5 साल कहीं पे चले गए, and I'm really back in that those pressure days wherein, sir used to inspire us and whenever we used to feel gloomy or something like that. So his talks has already inspired us and to me also. And the third thing, the energy of this team. So this is something is phenomenal. Whatever numbers we were discussing in the beginning while we were discussing targets, I don't know how somehow sir was still confident, and I used to feel like, abhi itna pace pe kaise karenge. So looking into September, the recovery that you have got bounce back, and looking at your energy and confidence, even at this moment, I think we are through. We are through, and we are through in what we have said about 2 lakh PCPM, power and pride brand segregation that we have done. I'm sure this team will, it's just sheer passion, they will drive the strategies, and probably system and process is something, the skill part, but passion of this team is very important, and that itself is going to drive through our objective that we have decided. And with this, I wish everyone all the best to the newcomers as well as to the head office team, to Pune team of Mr. Avinash Wani, to the sales manager, Prashant, as well as Hemraj and all the RPMs. All the best.
Thank you. I think Vinod has a few words to say. Wish them well, and then Avinash, and then we go.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Actually, team, you have seen that last 6 months, shoulder to shoulder, we have worked and we have now at the जब एक सक्सेस का जब एक लैडर बनती है तो वी आर नाउ इम्प्रूविंग एंड अप्रोचिंग टुवर्ड द सक्सेस। तो हम एक स्टेयरकेस पे पहुंचे हैं, बट पायदान से आपको कामयाबी की तरफ और भी भागना है, और ये जो क्वार्टर है ये हमको दिखाएगा, डायरेक्ट करेगा और पहुंचाएगा अपने सक्सेस की मंजिल पर। तो आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर Q3 and we are here to support you 24/7 anytime anywhere. Thank you and all the best.
Thank you,
Thank
Vinod.
you.
I think
Sanjay sir.
Avinash, can you just
Yes, sir.
It's very important that the founder member and the senior member of the team like you to wish them, because
Yes,
everyone needs today that blessing and the visible and invisible power both. Please.
Yeah, Madam Josna and Barkha, Dr. Garat, welcome to Precia.
Thank you, sir.
And I have seen a lot of in positive energy, and I am confident this team is going to rock in a Q3 and second half of the year. And I like to wish everyone all the best, and quite confident we are going to close this year with positive growth. Yes, all the best. I am there for the support and solution.
Thank you very much, Avinash.
Sanjay sir, I just want to take 30 seconds.
Yeah, please go ahead, doctor. I mean,
आपने मेरे अंदर के शायर को जगाया तो मेरे दिमाग में तब से बहुत सारी शायरियां गूंज रही है, बिकॉज आप बहुत सारी चीजें जगाते हैं मेरे अंदर। तो मेरे को एक शायरी बोलना है, just because you said I just want to close it with the शायरी that I have in my mind. There are so many, but one thing I want to one share that I want to say here, looking at the pandemic and the unprecedented times, and we want to fly high. So इरशाद बोलिए साहब।
इरशाद।
परिंदे आसमां से वफा करते हैं जमीन से नहीं, परिंदे आसमां से वफा करते हैं जमीन से नहीं, अगर परिंदे से वफा चाहते हो तो आसमान में उड़ना सीखो।
सुभान अल्लाह। वाह वाह, मुकर्रर।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच। अब इतना इंस्पायरिंग माहौल हो गया है कि आशीष भी कुछ बोलना चाहता है, एंड देन वी क्लोज। आशीष,
मेरा नाम इरशाद है सर, मैं कुछ इरशाद करना चाह रहा हूं।
नहीं, बिल्कुल बोलिए।
इरशाद बोलिए।
सर मेरा नाम इरशाद, मैं इरशाद करना चाह रहा हूँ।
हाँ, वो
इरशाद
शायर है कि मुत्तहिद हो तो बदल डालो निजामे गुलशन। अरबी में थोड़ा शायर है सर। सुन रहे सर?
हाँ, सुन रहे, बोलिए।
कि मुत्तहिद हो तो बदल डालो निजामे गुलशन, और मुंतजिर हो तो मरो शोर मचाते क्यों हो। सर प्रेसिया इज अ लीडर कंपनी। हमारे यहाँ सर लीडर यहाँ, और हम एकजुट होकर के मुत्तहिद होकर के सर कुछ अच्छा कर डालेंगे। और जैसा कि सर ने बताया कि ये समय है अपने आप को प्रूफ करने का, तो हम एकजुट होकर के एक ऐसी उड़ान भरेंगे कि सर बाज की तरह आसमान छुएंगे सर।
क्या बात है, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा इरशाद किया आपने, बहुत हैप्पी हूं मैं। आशीष कुछ कहना चाहता है?
Yes, sir.
भावना है बहुत सारी उद्दीपित हो गई है।
अरे हाँ।
आशीष प्लीज बोलिए।
नहीं guys, as you know that there's no shortcut to success, and believe me, your hard work will definitely rise. मैं यही बोलूंगा to all my respected KM and leaders that my best wishes are there with you. I'm very much sure about it that you will come out with flying colors. Whenever there's any help required, please do call me at any time. Thank you
आशीष। और मैं भी एक शेर के साथ अभी खत्म करना चाहूंगा ये इस बहुत बढ़िया
इरशाद
इसको। थैंक यू वेरी मच। धर्मेंद्र आर्य अभी जागा है 1 घंटे के बाद। तो बहुत बड़ा सोचो, और हर दिन जब उठोगे तो सोचो मैं इतिहास बनाने के लिए उठाऊं। तो वो कहते हैं डरना नहीं है, ये नहीं बोलना सर पेशेंट कम है, डॉक्टर नहीं आ रहा है, कोरोना है। वो कहते हैं शाहे सवारे गिरा करते हैं मैदान जंग में, शाहे सवारे गिरा करते हैं मैदान जंग में, वो तिफल क्या लड़े जो घुटनों के बल चले। तो मैं हमारे सारे लोगों को शाहे सवारे बोलता हूँ, अपने हीरो को पहले ही सैल्यूट करता हूँ, और मैं चाहता हूँ ये हीरोगिरी हम जो है 23-24 दिसंबर को खत्म करके we will celebrate it. Thank you very much guys.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. It was wonderful. I wish you all the best, and let's create the history in next 3 months. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.